Hello kids, today we will learn of the name 12th month of the year in English. Let's get started. January, January, January. February, 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 February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August. September, 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 September. October, 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 October. November, 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 November. December, 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 December. Thank you, kids. Bye bye. Love you.